Our product is called Emergency, and it's a pair of safety goggles with the emergency stop button built into them to hopefully save the lives of construction workers and other people who work with heavy machinery. The construction worker would wear the safety goggles, and if they press the button quickly, it would send a low alert signal to their supervisor, who could trigger the low alert light, which is an orange light. However, if they're in immediate danger, they can hold the button down for 3 or more seconds, and that would send a high alert signal to their supervisor, who would trigger the blinking, beeping red light.
Our smart project is the Sonic Alert Bracelet. It's a product for really anybody that cares about their hearing. Most people are constantly in situations where the ambient noise is louder than what is appropriate, and our product tries to alleviate that with a vibration motor and some LEDs. It just tells the user that the ambient noise is louder than it should be.
Here's our project, Humidity. It's a device to save bees. 80% of crops produced in the United States are pollinated by bees, and then from an economics perspective, bees pollinate over $15 billion worth of produce just in the United States, and that's every single year. We produce this product to help the humidity levels, and it measures the humidity in the hive because in the winter there's an excess of moisture that condensates at the top and then drips cold water down onto the bees and kills them. So this just is a way to help beekeepers monitor their own hives and automatically turn on a fan to ventilate the hive and bring it down automatically so they don't have to keep checking individually each beehive.
There are over 250,000 anterior cruciate ligament or ACL tears in the United States each year, and it can take up to 9 months for a student athlete to fully recover. Our Project Smart Leg is a normal grade ACL post-surgery brace that would allow anyone to get a doctor-grade fitting of their brace in the comfort of their own home. Before surgery, doctors fit the brace and teach the patient how to strap on the brace together. Smart Leg would create a benchmark force profile of the brace at the time of first fitting. This live force profile would then be compared to live results when the patient is putting on their brace. When the live results match that of the baseline, an LED lights up on the brace.
It's a robot that could aid people with disabilities that have retained motor functions in their hands. And so essentially what it does is it gives them a little bit of their freedom back. They can use a PS2 remote controller and have the Pathfinder move around throughout their home or wherever they are during the day, and say something's in their way, they can pick it up and move it. Say they need a soda or they dropped the remote or something like that. Instead of relying on their caretaker 24/7 to help them out around the house or around with their lives, they have this little bit of independence back.
Have you or anyone you ever known been in a wheelchair before? Okay, so have they ever complained about not being able to look behind them and like having neck pain? So that's a common issue. So with our project, it is an Ultrasonic Rangefinder with a speaker and a battery pack. And the closer you get to something, the beeps are coordinated to distance. So it will beep faster and faster, like a car backup sensor, until it kind of flatlines, and then you know you're very close to hitting something. So it minimizes neck pain.
Picture this, a pristine winter morning after a fresh snowfall. Everything looks picture perfect. And then you see your car. The windshield is frozen solid and you have 10 minutes to get to work. Hi, my name is Bella and I work for the Windshield Wizards. We're a team of honors, business, and engineering students who face this issue every single winter. Our product, the Windshield Warmer, is a smarter and easier solution to saving time for your morning commute. Our cutting-edge technology allows for hands-free and stress-free snow removal.